Ever wondered why home roofs are shaped like a wave? Roofs of houses and buildings are usually not plain. Rather, they are corrugated with a wave-like shape. Let's do a simple experiment to try and find out the result. I have here with me a simple house-like structure that needs a roof. Let's try a plain roof first. This piece of paper is my plain roof. Having placed the roof, let us now test its strength. I will place this heavy block on top of the roof. Oops! The roof just gave way and crashed. Now let us corrugate the roof. I have folded the plain sheet of paper once in the front, once in the back, once in the front, once in the back, till the end. I now have a wave-like structured roof. I installed the roof on the house. Time to test it. I place the block and wow! It stays in place without crashing. See, a simple corrugation of the paper increased its ability to carry loads multiple times. Now we know why corrugated roofs are popular, isn't it?